The CS65X gives you two options for naming inspection jobs, and in this tutorial, we'll talk about what those options are and the relative benefits of each one. The first option, you can name each inspection job yourself, or the monitor can automatically name it for you using time and date. Letting the monitor create the job name itself is faster because it doesn't require any action on your part. Creating the job name yourself takes a few more seconds to type the name in, but it gives you a couple of benefits. First, if you want to open, edit, or copy a previous job, it's easier to find it if it has a unique name, such as property address. Also, when you name a job yourself, the job name will be part of the file name for every photo or video that you record. Now that we've talked about the job naming options, let's look at how to change them. Open the Job Manager, scroll down to the Settings tab, and highlight Name Jobs. Select Yes to have the monitor prompt you for a name for each new job, and select No to have the monitor name the jobs automatically. We'll select Yes and close the Job Manager. Now when we start a new job, we'll have the option of accepting the default name, which is time and date, or typing in a name ourselves. For additional tutorials and product information, visit the SeeSnake support website and the Rigid Today YouTube channel. And for updates on our latest videos, be sure to subscribe.